Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by accessing your router or DNS-capable device. Type the admin IP in a browser and log in. Once logged in, locate the LAN or DHCP DNS fields. These are where DNS is set for clients. You choose a trusted resolver because performance and filtering depend on that choice. Make sure to copy the primary and secondary IPs exactly. Small typos break name resolution. If you prefer per-device control, pause here and note the OS-specific steps you will use later. Once done entering DNS IPs into DHCP settings, save and apply changes. The router will distribute the new addresses to clients. If your router offers DNS forwarding or caching, decide based on load. Forwarding reduces router CPU, local cache speeds, repeated lookups. Also set an appropriate DHCP lease time because low leases force frequent renewals, while longer leases delay rollout. Make sure devices get the new server by renewing DHCP or restarting the network interface. You finish by verifying name resolution. Flush DNS caches on devices, then run ENSLOOKUP or DIG to confirm queries. Go to your chosen resolver and return correct answers. If responses are slow or incorrect, check that the router actually saved the DNS fields and that no firewall or ISP DNS hijack is intercepting port 53. Once verified, reboot affected devices to clear stale state. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: restart the router and the client, then rerun ENSLOOKUP to isolate whether it is client or network side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.